So hi, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. So my name is Bansari Panchal, and I'm an AI and digital business strategist, and I help women who are quietly building something real and use AI to create more income with less of their time and energy. And today I want to talk to you about something that sounds a lot more intimidating than it actually is, and that's AI agents. Now, before you click away, stay with me because by end of this, you are going to understand what an AI agent is and why it matters for your business specifically, and how you can set up your first one for free today with zero tech experience. So no coding, no complicated tools, and no developer needed. Just you, a free tool, and clear process. So let's get into it. So I want to start by stripping away all the jargon because I think AI agents sound scarier than they are. Here's the simplest definition I know. An AI agent is a helper you set up once that does a specific job in your business automatically without you being there. That's it. Think of it like hiring a very diligent, very reliable assistant who never sleeps, never forgets, and never has a bad day. You tell them what to do, how to do it, and who to talk to, and then you walk away. Here's what an agent might look like in your business right now. Maybe someone lands on your website and types what's the best way to work with you. Instead of you getting a notification and scrambling to reply, your agent answers immediately. It knows your offers, your process, and your tool. It responds like you would. Or someone joins your email list and asks, do you have anything on content strategy? Your agent scans what you have told it about your business and sends them the right result. Or you have set up a simple quiz on your site. Someone takes it and your agent reads their answers and tells them which of your offers is best fit for them and why. Now I know what you might be thinking. I'm not a tech person. This sounds like it belongs in someone else's business. But here's what I want you to hear. An agent is not a tech product. It's a business strategy tool. The tech is already built. You just have to tell it what you know, and what you know, your expertise, your frameworks, your way of helping people. That is the irreplaceable part. The AI just holds it and delivers it when you are not available. So, we are living through what I call the attention gap. Your ideal clients are busier than ever. They are doing research at 11 p.m. They are comparing three options at once. They want answers now, not in 24 hours when you wake up and check your inbox. At the same time, you are one person. You can only be in so many places. You can only answer so many messages. You can only have so many conversations. The business that are growing sustainably right now, the ones that feel like they run themselves, have one thing in common. They have automated the repetitive conversations so they can focus on high value ones. An AI agent doesn't replace you. Let me be crystal clear about that. It represents you when you are not available. It holds your knowledge, your voice, and your process, and it delivers that to someone who needs it in the moment they need it. This is especially important if you are in service based business, if you are coach or consultant, or if you are selling products and want buyers to feel supported from the very first interaction. When someone gets a thoughtful, helpful response immediately before they have even bought anything, that builds the kind of trust that converts. And you didn't have to be awake to create it. Now, let me give you the practical part. There are three types of AI agents I recommend every business owner setup, and they each solve a different problem. Agent 1 is the welcome agent. This is the agent that greets people when they land on your site or your community for the first time. His job is to answer the question, is this for me? So that the right people stay and the wrong people self-select out. You train it on who you serve, what you do, what you offer, and how you work. It answers FAQs, points people to right resources, and warms them up before they ever get on a call with you. Agent 2 is the content agent. This one lives in background of your business and helps you produce content fast. You give it your brand voice, your content, plus your audience and your offers. Then instead of starting from scratch every week, you ask it for caption and email hook or post idea and it gives you something that sounds like you, aligned with your business. This is not about publishing AI content. It's about using AI to get your first draft in 5 minutes instead of 45. The agent 3 is the lead qualifier agent. So this is the agent that helps people figure out which of your offers is right for them without you having to explain it in every DM, every discovery call, and every conversation. You train it on your offers, your audience, and typical scenarios your clients come in with. Someone tells it where they are and what they are struggling with, and it points them in the right direction toward your freebie, your low ticket, or your high ticket container. These three agents together create a business that feels responsive, aligned, and organized around the clock. So here's the part I know you came for. The tool I recommend for beginners is Taskade. Taskade. It's free, it's beginner friendly, and you can build a fully functional AI agent in under 20 minutes with no tech skills. Here's the process I walk my students through. Four steps. Step 1, knowing what job you are hiring this agent to do. Before you build anything, get specific. Is this agent going to answer about your offers? Help people choose between your services, respond to common objections. The more focused its job, the better it performs. Don't try to build an agent that does everything. Build one that does one thing beautifully. Step 2, write your agent's knowledge base. This is where most people get stuck, so let me demystify it. Your knowledge base is just a document that tells agent everything it needs to know to do its job. Who you serve, what you offer, how you work, common questions and their answers, your tone of voice. You can use Claude or ChatGPT to help you write this. The prompt is simple. Help me write a knowledge base for an AI agent that represents my business. My business is describe it and my offers are list them, and the agent's job is to describe the job and write the knowledge base in a warm conversational tone. Claude will write it in minutes. You review it, adjust anything that doesn't sound like you, and it's ready. Step 3 is upload your knowledge base and set your agent's instructions. In Taskade, you create a new agent, give it a name, paste in your knowledge base, and write a short instruction, something like your helpful assistant for your brand. Answer questions warmly and always guide people toward the most relevant resource or next step. Step 4, test it yourself. Before you send anyone to your agent, talk to it yourself. Ask it the questions your clients ask. You most of uh, you most often. So see how it responds. Adjust anything that feels off. Add anything it's missing. That's it. 4 steps under 20 minutes for simple agent. And once it's live, it's working for you every hour of every day. Even when you are sleeping, living your life, or doing the deep work that only you can do. So I want to leave you with something important. I know that for some of you, AI feels like a threat, like it's going to make things more complicated, more impersonal, more overwhelming. I want to offer you a different frame. AI is not here to replace you, it is here to extend you. The version of you that can only have 10 conversations a day. AI helps that version have 100. The version of you that's brilliant but exhausted. AI carries the repetitive work so you can bring your best to the work that actually requires you. Your business, you build your business on your expertise, your values, and your way of seeing the world. An AI agent doesn't dilute any of that. It delivers it faster, further, faster, and more consistently than you could do alone. You don't need to be a tech person to use AI, and you need to know your business, and you already do. So, my challenge to you is this week, identify one repetitive conversation you are having in your business, one question you answer over and over, one interaction that could run without you. That's your first agent. And if you want to go deeper, uh, you can join the free communities where I teach exactly how to use AI to simplify your business and create more income. So, thank you so much for spending this time with me, and go build something brilliant.